So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your RAM. I would recommend that you unplug your computer and you earth yourself so you're not holding any static charge before commencing. So here, these are my two RAM slots. So to simply take the RAM out, you just unclip each side, like so. Take the RAM stick out. This is DDR4. And I'm simply going to push it into the primary slot. So this is a primary slot, this is a secondary slot. Normally they'll tell you on the motherboard which space to use, and it's as simple as that.